Okay, so this customer says, please ring the doorbell. So, okay, I'll ring the doorbell after I take the picture. Ring the doorbell, and that's it. Most of the time I just leave it there, but if they ask, ring the doorbell, okay, I'll ring the doorbell after I take my picture and walk off. That was creepy. Front door. Hope you have a great day. I didn't put my e-brake on. Damn. Alright, so now go back here, go here. Got it, whatever. And say dash, still 2 p.m., don't care. And now we wait. See who the fuck's gonna bite. Had Subway earlier because I had to go take a piss. Again, I don't like going into places where I'm just gonna use the restroom and walk out. I tried my best to pay for something, so I got a 6-inch sandwich and I ate it so I can take a fucking piss. Cause I went to the gas station with the Coke bottle, bought a Coke, the fucking restroom was out. Like, fuck. Okay, whatever, bitch. It is what it is. Can't win everything. So I'm not having that up right now because I'm not trying to overcharge this shit like crazy. That's why I just have it in my hand. I'm debating whether I want to get the 17 Pro Max or just the 17. I compared the two. The two price differences, I think it was $600. I could get either one, but the difference is that I saw was that I care for was the battery, and it was a 9-hour difference. Yeah, $600 isn't worth $900. Isn't worth 9-hour difference to me, because I care about battery life. I don't really care for all that extra shit.